to shut up? What do you want? What do you want? Hey? Where's Phil? Shout Phil. Phil. Where are you going? You got a daft thing. What are you doing down there? What are you doing? Where's Phil? Come on, Phil. Oh, telling me to shut up. That's not nice. Little bird. Little birds don't say shut up. Hello, where's Phil? Shout Phil. Shout Phil. Phil. Who's screaming? Shut up. Naughty. Oh. You being naughty? Are you screaming? Oh dear. Oh dear. Are you laughing? Where are you going now again? What are you doing? What are you doing down there? Hey, what are you doing down there? Where are you? What you doing? What you doing? You're a silly boy. Where you going? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Get that tail. I'll get that tail. Give me that tail. What do you want? Step out. Step up. No. Come on, step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, he's my boy. Aren't you a good boy? You want a tickle, don't you? You need a tickle. Is it a tickle you need? Do you need a tickle? Go and get your ball in there. Go and get your ball. Go and get your ball. Inside. Go and get it. It's inside. Go and get it. Wrong way. That's the wrong way, that. You can't go in that way. Well, aren't you a silly one? Where are you going?